I'm Dan, and I'm here to introduce you to our brand new Toro TimeCutter Zero-Turn Series. Built with 100 years of experience, these machines aren't just a bunch of high-end specs. They are engineered to provide professional-looking lawns and the dependability you would expect from Toro. Starting up front, it's got a huge 65 by 65 mm tubular front axle with solid cast aluminium caster hubs designed to protect the frame from damage. The Toro TimeCutter's frame uses 10 gauge steel, as does the new beefed up cutting deck, which is over 20% stronger than the 11 gauge steel our competitors use. Plus, the reinforced leading edge continues all the way across the front, protecting you and your investment from unexpected obstacles. Underneath the deck are the huge 6-inch cast aluminium spindles and the positive deck retention system, so it never pops off and you won't get any deck wobble when you approach the machine. And this huge battery makes sure your machine is always ready to go. Plus, it's powered by a Toro engine that comes with a 3-year unlimited hour warranty and a 3-year 300-hour commercial use warranty. As for comfort and convenience, starting with our non-MyRide models, we've got this brand new step-through front end with a split footrest for easy foot placement. And we've now got a handy place to store any loose items under the seat. We've also lowered the front axle to make it easier to step up onto the machine. The seat itself offers supreme comfort with more padding, and armrests come standard on most models. Moving along, we continue to offer our smart speed system for optimal control, whether you're trimming, towing, or mowing. And fenders come standard on all TimeCutters, helping you stay dry and your engine cavity free of debris. And keeping these machines in prime condition is easy with our toolless maintenance system. To change the air filter, all you have to do is open the air filter housing, pop off the old one and put in the new one. And to change the oil, simply pull down the tube to drain the oil. We've also now got toolless belt covers. Just push in the tab, remove the belt cover and wipe away any debris. Finally, our MyRide suspension platform continues to deliver truly unparalleled comfort and is now even easier to operate with one-step adjustment. From the Pro DNA that courses through its veins to the ultimate in durability and market-leading comfort and convenience, these machines are designed to make mowing a breeze. Visit your local Toro dealer to find out more about the all-new TimeCutter.